Hello, good evening, everyone. Today, we are going to start a new chapter. Okay, this chapter is from class 9, Pythagoras Theorem. It's a very important chapter. Okay, so today we will discuss in details of Pythagoras Theorem and the proof of this Pythagoras Theorem and some application. That is some problems we will try to do. And also, this here this chapter mainly I think will not possible to complete in one session. I'll try to complete in 2 sessions. I'll try it. Okay. Otherwise, I will do one more. That is, in 3 sessions, I will try to complete this chapter. Right? So let us start. Pythagoras theorem, lab session 1. Okay. Who was Pythagoras? First of all, see, Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher who made important developments in mathematics, astronomy, and the theory of music. Understood? In music also, he did some important role. Okay, some theorems, some rules, some actually in music, some important also he played. Okay, some theory of music. The theorem now known as Pythagoras theorem was known to the Babylonians thousands years earlier. Understood? Now we are doing the theorem, but it was invented before thousands years in Babylonian times. Okay, but the thing is that Pythagoras was the main first. He proved that theorem in details and easily to us. That's why name of that theorem is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and one more thing. Do you know the full name of the Pythagoras? The full name of Pythagoras is Pythagoras Samos. It is the full name of Pythagoras, the Greek mathematician. Okay, he gave us more thing on geometry. On geometry. Okay. Now, can you think? I think you know the Pythagoras, that is on right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. You are making by using this formula a lot of problems. But this is the Pythagoras theorem. I will tell in details. Without Pythagoras theorem, you can't imagine geometry. You can't think geometry. You can't think trigonometry without Pythagoras theorem. The branch trigonometry totally depending upon Pythagoras theorem. Understood? The formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 is another kinds of Pythagoras theorem. Understood? Another kinds of Pythagoras theorem. So let us start. Pythagoras theorem. See, you remember Pythagoras theorem is applicable only in right angle triangle. First, draw the right angle triangle. You also draw right angle triangle. Everyone drawn? Okay, this is my right angle triangle, and yes, this theorem is applicable only for right angle triangle, and the triangle which is not in right angle form, say this triangle is not in right angle form. Okay, so you have to make right angle. Then for this and for the two right angles angle, okay, this way you have to use the Pythagoras theorem. Otherwise, you can't use Pythagoras theorem if the triangle is not a right angle triangle. Understood? So, at the time of solving problems, we'll see. Now, this is the right angle triangle. So, what is the Pythagoras theorem? What is the Pythagoras theorem? First, see that Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, what is hypotenuse? I'll tell now, is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay, this is the theorem. Now, which one called hypotenuse? This is right angle. The opposite side of the right angle is called hypotenuse. In any right angle triangle, okay, you will get the hypotenuse, that is the length of one side. This is the name of side, special kinds of side, that is here A, B, C. AB is the hypotenuse, right? And CB and CA are other two sides. Maybe one base, other one will be height, or if it is base, then it will be height. There is other two sides. Then hypotenuse, the longer side, of course, but the triangle must be right angle. Remember, don't forget it. Okay. Priyabrata Chakraborty, good evening. Oh, Pritam, good evening. Nobi, I am butter. Nice, sir. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Okay. Just can you tell me, everyone is correct? Audio, video, just confirm me in chat. Just confirm me in chat. See, let us assume the length of the side AB, that is hypotenuse, is C, small c. The side AC is equal to, say, small a, and CB is small b. Okay, small b. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, what to prove? Hypotenuse square, that is this square equal to a square plus b square. You have to prove this one. It is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square, that is sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is Pythagoras theorem. How will you prove this? Okay, now do one thing. This theorem can be proved in so many lot of ways are there. In lot of ways you can prove the Pythagoras theorem. It is a very beautiful theorem. But here we will try to prove by using the area property. Area. Depending upon the area property, we will try to prove the Pythagoras theorem. Let us see. You have to do one construction. Extend CB, the same straight line, extend as A. The length SC will be here, that is A. And draw one perpendicular on the side CB, say up to E, you extended length of CB, that is CB, up to this. Okay, so it is what is understood? That is EF equal to BC, BE equal to SC, like this. It is a construction. Okay, join FB, right? Join FB. Join also AF. Understood? Join also F. Now, from this two triangle ACB and BEF, in triangle ACB and triangle BEF, what you can write? Already given. AC is equal to PEAA by construction. Okay. AC equals to PE equal to by construction. Number 2, CB is equal to EF. CB is equal to EF, that is B. This is also by construction, right? Alur Pothik, yes, Dipalay, good evening. Everything clear? Dipalay, confirm me in the chat. Audio, video, both are clear or not? Both are clear or not? Okay. Follow the steps carefully for proving the Pythagoras theorem. Now, one more thing. This angle also right angle. This angle also right angle according to the construction, that is angle of ACB. Number 3, angle of ACB equal to angle of BEF equals to 90 by construction, because it was the perpendicular, EF perpendicular on extended CB, right? Now, what is the relation between these two triangles? By using property, by using SAS property. What? These two triangles are what? Congruent. Understood? Triangle ACB congruent triangle BEF. Understood? To prove these two triangles are what? Congruent. Since the two triangles are congruent, by CPCTC. What is the full form of CPCTC? Do you know CPCTC? Tell me, what is the full form of CPCTC? What is the full form of CPCTC? By CPCTC. By CPCTC. Corresponding part of congruent triangles are congruent. Corresponding part of congruent triangles are congruent. Remember, this is the short form. We can write in short a big line. That is, corresponding part of congruent triangles are congruent. After proving two triangles are congruent. Understood? So, you can write by CPCTC, these two sides AB is equal to what? AB is equal to, FB. AB is equal to FB. So, if the length is C is equal to C, AB is equal to C, then you can write FB also what? Understood? See, in triangle ACB, C is right angle. C is right angle. So, if C is right angle, then the sum of other two angles will be what? Also will be right angle. Say it is X and it is Y. These two angles are what? Congruent. So, if this is X, this angle also will be what? X. By CPCTC will be the trick I am using now. Okay. That is, X plus Y is equal to what? 90. Now, X plus Y is equal to what? from this. That is x plus y is equal to what? 90. Understood? X plus y is 90. If x plus y is, these two angles are 90, then what will be this angle? This is a straight angle, is not it? What will be this angle? This also will be, understood? Because this is a straight angle. Whole angle is what? Straight angle. So x plus y is 90 from this triangle. From this triangle also you can write x plus y is 90. Why x plus y is 90? Sum of three angle will be what? 180. So x plus y is 90. So if x plus y is 90, then this angle must be 90 degree, because CBE is a what? Straight angle. Straight angle. So you got what? Angle ABF is equal to 90. Understood? Step by step. You have to proceed step by step. This is equal to 90. Now, what to do? Now tell me one thing. What is the name of the shape ACEF? What is the shape of ACEF? What is the shape? What is the shape of ACEF? Can you tell me? It is a trapezium. It is a ACEF is a trapezium. Why this? That's why. Understood? And CE and AF are non-parallel sides. These two sides, that means AC parallel to AC parallel to. So this figure SCEB is a what? Trapezium. Now, you want to clearly, the area of the trapezium will be equal the sum of the area of this triangle, of this triangle, of this triangle. Is not it? The area of the three angles, sum of the area of the three angles will be equal to the area of the trapezium. Use that property. Understood? I think clear? The area of the sum of three angles will be equal to area of the trapezium. Okay. Let us do. I am erasing here. Let us do. Now, what is the area of this triangle? First consider this one. Area of triangle ACB is equal to what? Area of triangle ACB plus area of triangle ABF plus area of triangle PEF equal to area of trapezium. Area of trapezium what? ACEF. ACEF. Understood? Is this property? I think clear? Now area of the triangle ACB. What is that? Half into base into height. Half into base into, understood, plus area of triangle ABF, half into C into C, plus half into this area A into equal to area of the trapezium. What is the formula of area of the trapezium? Sum of the length of parallel sides and distance between the parallel sides. The sum of the length of parallel sides, that means this A plus B, and distance between these two lines, that means what? A plus B. Understood? A plus. Clear? Now see, do one thing, half. You can take common half and half will be cancelled. Understood? Then PA that means 2AB plus C into C means C square equals to A plus B into A plus B. That means A plus B what whole square. This implies twice AB plus C square is equal to what is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus twice AB. Twice AB cancel. What you got? I am writing here. C square is equal to A square plus B square. A square plus B square. What to prove? C square is equal to A square plus B square. That means for this triangle, C square means hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other. See, this is Pythagoras theorem. By using the concept of area, equality of area of this plane figure, we prove Pythagoras theorem. There are so many ways you can prove Pythagoras theorem. Understood? So remember always, for any right angle triangle, hypotenuse square, the x, y, z. That means x square is equal to hypotenuse square, height square, base square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Very important theorem. Don't forget it. Okay. Clear? Any doubt? You can tell me if any doubt. Okay. Next. Pythagoras theorem already we proved. Proof of Pythagoras theorem already we have done. Now problems on Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Problems on Pythagoras theorem. What is the first problem? See, problem number 1. Problem number 1. First you draw the picture that is given and the values. And observe the picture carefully. Okay. There are two right angles. Right angles means Pythagoras theorem. Okay. This way you will remember. Right angle triangle means actually not right angle, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means Pythagoras theorem. This you will remember. And Pythagoras theorem means right angle triangle. Okay. Pythagoras theorem means right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means Pythagoras theorem. Understood? This way. First you draw the picture. Everyone draw B A B C. E A B C. Okay. What is given? AD is equal to 13 centimeter. BC is equal to 3 centimeter. DC is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, you have to find what? And the two angles B and C are 90 degree. Calculate the length of AB. You have to find the x centimeter. Okay, you have to find the length of AB. See, you have to find the length of AB. That is, let us assume the length is x centimeter. Understood? Length is x centimeter. Now, if the length is x centimeter, but you know that is the right angle triangle. For the triangle DAB, opposite side, the hypotenuse. But do you know the length of base DB? No, we do not know the length of the base DB. Understood? Base DB. First, you have to find the length of DB. Say it is y centimeter. Let us assume it is y. How to find y? Consider this triangle first. From the triangle DCB, right angle. So you can use Pythagoras theorem. What is the, which one is hypotenuse? DB, that is y. You can write y square is equal to 2x square plus b square. Understood? From this triangle. Okay. So what is y square? That is 12 square means 144 plus 9. That means what? 144 plus 9. 153. Okay. Y square is equal to 153. You got y square. Give it to y square as it is. See, it is not necessary to find y. Now from this triangle, Pythagoras theorem, since the triangle is right angle triangle, by using Pythagoras you can write what? 13 square. 13 square equal to x square plus y square. Understood? This implies x square plus y square means 153. Understood? Put the value directly. Now x square, this implies x square, this equal to what? 13 square means minus 150. What is 13 square? 1 minus 153. Okay. Now subtract 169, 153, this 6, is what? 1, 16. 16. So x equal to what? Plus minus 4. Plus minus 4. But x is what? Side of the triangle. That means length. Length cannot be negative. Since length cannot be negative. You write. Cannot be negative. Cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 4 centimeter. That is, AB is equal to. Understood? Clear, Ajay? Next problem. It is also same. Just see, in the given figure, PSR is equal to 90 degree. PSR is equal to 90 degree. PQ 10 centimeter, QS 6 centimeter, and RQ 9 centimeter. Calculate the length of PR. Okay, first you draw. You will complete this one, but I am giving you the hints. First you draw. First you draw the picture. PSQR. PSQ. Okay, PSQR. PSR 90 degree. Okay, 90. PQ 10 centimeter. Right? QS 6 centimeter. QS 6 centimeter. And RQ 9 centimeter. RQ 9 centimeter. Calculate the length of PR. R. X centimeter. Okay. This is the figure. Anyhow, you have to find PS. Understood? PS. What is we say? It is y centimeter. First use this right angle triangle. That means Pythagoras theorem. That means 10 square is equal to y square plus 6 square. I will not do, you will complete. Just I am giving you the hints. From this, you will get the value of y. Understood? Again, you will consider this complete triangle. From this solution, you will get the value of y. That is, you know. Okay. Again, from triangle, what? From triangle PRS. That is, you can write what? X square is equal to hypotenuse. X square is equal to height square means y square plus RS. That is 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9. Understood? So, you know y square. From here, y square you will put, that means y, you will get the value of x. That is understood. You will complete. Go to the next problem. A live stream date is class 10 Sunday, Wednesday, time same 9:30, and class 9 Tuesday and Friday, time 9:30. Okay. Every week this schedule will continue. Okay. Problem 3. It is a formula also. You know, but this formula how came? By using Pythagoras Theorem. How this formula came? That is, in the equilateral triangle, if each side is length a unit, then altitude means what? Height. Altitude means height. Height is a root 3 by 2. A root 3 by 2 or root 3a by 2. And the area is equal to root 3 a square by 4. How this formula came? By using this formula, you have to solve problem number 4. Okay. The first, this formula, this is important, very important. It will come in your exam. In any equilateral triangle, length of side a unit. Okay. Start. First you draw. Drawing must. Without drawing, in geometry, you can't do anything. The concept will not clear. Okay. First you draw an equilateral triangle. First you draw. That is equilateral triangle. Each side is of length a unit. So this also a unit. The ABC. A, E. Okay. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Clear? Now height, you have to find height. So altitude, this is the altitude. Of course, this altitude will be the midpoint. Say D. That is this side. Sorry, side will be equal to this side. So if the total length is a unit, so this length BD will be what? A by 2. Understood? This also A by. Clear? I think clear up to this. Now see, height. Let us assume height is h. This is right angle. This is right angle. But initially the triangle ABC was not a right angle. But after drawing the altitude, it is converted into a right angle triangle, two right angle triangles. Okay. Now consider any triangle, this one or this one. I am considering here ABD. From triangle ABD. Of course, right angle triangle. So Pythagoras theorem, right? Pythagoras theorem was hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. Base means what? A by. Understood? This equals to, simplify. S square is equal to a square plus a square by 4. Understood? You have to find what? H. So you do one thing, s square minus s square by 4. Understood? This is equal to a square. I think you understood. Going here, a square equal to, simplify. What is the LCM? What is the LCM? LCM will be 4. That is 4 a square minus s square. Understood? This is equal to what? 4a square minus a square means 3. Therefore, h is equal to what? Plus minus. But you will take what? Plus or minus sign? Plus sign. Positive, because height, distance cannot be negative. Root over of what? 3a square by 4. That means root 3 into a by root 3a. First Roman 1 is proved. Okay, understood? Take clearly. Take it clearly. Screenshot. Now, second one. That is area of this triangle. Now, what is the area formula? Area formula of triangle. If you know height and base, then you can use the formula half into base into height. Half into what is the base? A. Complete base is A. What is the height? You know this. So half into base into height. Do the calculation. Doing here the area. Half into base. Base means A. Into height. Height means H. Put the value of H. Half into A into H. H means root 3 A by this value. 55. 2 that is 4 A square root 3. That is, you can write root 3 by 4 into the area. Area of an equilateral triangle whose length of each side is equal to a unit. Clear? Very good. Oh, there is another problem. Find the altitude of an equilateral triangle of side 5 root 3. Of side 5 root 3. That means A is equal to 5 root 3. Understood? A is equal to 5 root 3. A, this. A is equal to 5 root 3. It is given. Okay. Now you have to find the altitude means height. That is, you have to find h by using this formula. That is, h is equal to root 3 by 2 into a. Okay. Root 3 by 2 into a. A means 5 root 3. Okay. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to what? Root 3 into root 3? 3. 3 into 5 by, okay, that is 15 by 2. That means what? 7.5 unit. Understood? So, if you know the formula, then you can find the answer directly. You can find. But you have to remember the formula. Right? Go to the next one. Yes. This is one most important problem. First, you read the problem carefully. First, you read the problem carefully. ABC is right angle at C. First, draw. Okay. A, B, B. Right angle at C. From C, there is one perpendicular upon this hypotenuse AB at the point D here. At the point D. And length of perpendicular is small p. Base is small a and height is b, and AB is equal to C. That means okay. We have to prove CP is equal to AB. CP is equal to AB, and 1 by P square is equal to 1 by S square plus 1 by. Okay. How do you prove it? Yes. See. Now, first of all, this is right angle. Okay. This is right angle. Now, this is the triangle ASCB is right angle. So, what is the area of this triangle? Half into base into height. Base means A unit, height means B. Clear? B. And again, if you rotate the triangle, if you consider AB is the base, then B is the height. Is that it? Area of the same triangle. Same triangle means area will be equal. Half into base means what? A. Height means what? B. Half of cancel. AB is equal to AB. First one is proved. AB is equal to CP. CP. This length is C. Sorry, C. CP. AB is equal to CP. Okay. Now, the second one, first one is proved. First proof. 1 by P square. This is important. Right. 1 by P square is equal to 1 by S square plus 1 by P square. How will you prove it? See, in this proof, there is no any C. Have you seen? Observe it. 1 by P square is equal to 1 by S square plus 1 by B square. There is no any C. That means you have to eliminate C. You have to eliminate C. How will you eliminate C? What is the value of C will be here? C. It is a hypotenuse AB. Base is A. Height is B. By using Pythagoras, C will be root over of S square plus B square. By calculation. C square is equal to S square plus B square. Therefore, C is equal to root over of, taking the positive sign, S square plus B square. Now put here. Put here. Let's see. That means root over of S square plus B square into P is equal to AB. Understood? Square on both sides. S square plus B square into P square is equal to S square B square. Understood? This implies divide both sides by S square B square equal to what? 1 by B square. Understood? Split out this. S square by S square B square plus B square by S square B square is equal to 1 by B square. S square cancel, B square cancel. This implies 1 by B square plus 1 by S square is equal to 1 by B square. Second one is okay. See, this is important one. Okay, see carefully. See every steps carefully. If any doubt, you can ask me. If any doubt, you can ask me. Right? Next problem. Problem number 6. there are two buildings. That means this problem is a real life problem. You have to find the solution by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, there are two buildings in two sides of a road. Okay, we're trying to draw the situation. You try also, everyone try. Everyone try. There are two buildings. Everyone try to draw. Okay, two buildings keeping the foot of a letter fixed at a point on the road. When it placed on two buildings, then its top touches the building respectively at a height of 48 feet. 48 feet and 14 feet. And 14 feet. If the length of the ladder is 50 feet, then the width of the road you are to find. The options are what? These are these given. Okay, see, this is the situation. This is the situation. These are the ladders. Same ladder. 50 feet, 50 feet. Okay, 50 feet, 50 feet, 14 feet, 48 feet per unit. Okay, and keeping the fixed point of this is the road, width of the road. This is width of the road. Okay, in between the road there is a point, fixed point. One ladder is here 50, same ladder on the opposite building 50 length touching 50 feet high. Okay, there are two right angle triangles. Two right angle triangles. Good. Where this distance is equal to x feet, this y. Now use Pythagoras for this one and use Pythagoras for this one also. You will complete. I am giving the hints only. Okay. So for this right angle triangle, what you will get? 50 square. 50 square equal to 48 square plus x square. Understood? That means x square is equal to 50 square minus 48 square. A square minus b square. 50 plus 48 into 50 minus 48. 50 plus 48 means what? 98 into, that means what? 16 196. So x equal to what? 14. Is it? Taking the positive sign. Similarly, from this triangle, what is this? 50 square, same. 50 square equal to 14 square plus y square. Got to find the value of y. That means y square equal to 50 square minus 14 square. That is 50 plus 14, 50 minus 14. Understood? 50 plus 14, that is 64, into 50 minus 14, 36. That is 8 square into 6 square. Therefore, y is equal to 14. So, what is the width of the root? X plus y. Therefore, width of the root x plus y feet. That means what? 14 plus 48. Okay. Is equals to 262 feet. I think in option 62. Check. Yes, 62. Option B. Option B is the answer. Okay. Option B is the answer. Clear? This problem? Next one. Oh, this problem number 7 is same. Is already drawn. Okay. So it will be helpful for you. No tension. You will complete same procedure. Next one. The length of diagonals of a rhombus are 5 cm and 12 cm. The length of each side of the rhombus. This is for you. Oh, end of the last one. It is for you as homework. Okay. You will complete, but you should know the properties of rhombus. Length of diagonals are given to you. Length of diagonals given to you. See, rhombus. What is the properties of rhombus? Showing you that you will be able to do such types of problem. Frequently comes in exam. Okay. Rhombus. What is rhombus? This is rhombus. Okay. All sides are equal in length. And the main property, the diagonals bisect each other at right angle. The diagonals bisect each other at right angle. That is right angle. Bisect. So this side equal to this side. Okay. And this side equal to, and all four sides are equal in length. This is the property of rhombus. Length of diagonals are given to you. That means they will be bisected by each other. Okay. They will be bisected each other. Right. That means 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter. The length of one is 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter means 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. 5 centimeter means 5 by 2 centimeter, 5 by 2 centimeter. Then side say x. Then use Pythagoras Theorem and you will get the length of this. Understood? Okay. Already I have done this one. Okay. Session 1 end. This is the end of session. And next day, according to our routine, we'll start the next session number 2. In session number 2, there will be more important problems. Okay, some moderate and some harder. I'll try to complete in the next section this chapter. If it may not be possible, I'll try. Okay, otherwise I will extend for another more session. That is session 3. I'll try. Okay. So thank you. Good night.